Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I am going to explain the Shopware point of sale system. Yes, I'm going to explain the Shopware POS module that will allow the store owner to manage the online and physical store simultaneously and efficiently. The system makes the checkout process way faster than before. Also, this module provides the users the freedom to create an order as per the customer need. This module highly relies on the customer requirements, which will fascinate the customers to offline and online stores. So if I talk specific about this module, the features of this module, so the admin can manage multiple outlets for POS. Multiple POS users can be managed by the admin for an outlet, and the admin can manage both the online and physical stores effortlessly. New customers can be added by the sales agent at the time of checkout. A separate front-end panel is provided to the sales agent or user. The POS easily operates in offline mode as well as to provide a better processing, and the default customer assignment to the POS for is easy checkout, and you can create a barcode product buys and default customer assignment to the outlet, of course, and then the products can be added to the cart in two ways: on clicking on the product or through the barcode reader. That means the user can add the product to the cart using the barcode reader. So the admin can see the details of the orders. POS system supports simple as well as the configurable product. The admin can assign multiple products to the outlet, complete orders, customers, inventory synchronization between Shopware and POS. The admin can easily manage the inventory and can print a sales receipt with the complete information. The POS agent can add new customers to the POS panel, and the customer can make payments either by card or cash at the POS. So it actually provides you with a trouble-free checkout process, and the sales agent can update the currency in their profile anytime. So before we dive further into the workflow of the module, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any notification or update from us. So now let's quickly dive into the workflow of the module. So this is the admin panel of the module, and after the successful installation of the module, you just need to go to this settings, and then here you find this system, and in the system you will find this plugins option. So you just need to click here, and here you will find the list of all the modules which are installed there. So here you can see this point of sale module. So from here we can configure the module. So to configure the module, you need to move to this and also you can see the module is activated here. So you will go and click on this three dot icon button. So once you click here, you will find these options: configuration, description, and uninstall. So I need to configure the module, so I will click on this configuration. This will take you to a page where you need to fill in certain details like the sales channels and the heading on login. So talking about the sales channels, I need to click on this drop down menu. So once you click on this drop down menu, you'll be able to select the sales channel as per your wish. I want to select all the sales channels, so I have selected all sales channels. Now this is the heading on login. So from here you can configure this heading that the users will get while using, like, the POS users will get this heading. So from here you can configure it as per your wish. After configuring these two values, you need to click on the save button, and you will see the configuration has been saved. Now once we are done with this, again you need to go to the settings, and in the settings you'll go to the plugins here, and once you go to the plugins, you will find this certain sections here related to the POS, that is the POS order, then the POS outlet, and after that we have POS product, and then the POS user. So I'm going to explain each sections one by one in detail. So let's start with this POS outlet. So in this I'm going to explain you about the outlet management, how it is done in this module. So let me click on this POS outlet. So under this section, the admin will be able to see the list of all the outlets with greets as outlet name, outlet address, then active status, and the list settings. That you can see this 3-line menu here. So you can click on this list setting to use the compact view. You can use this toggle button, and again, if you go to this 3 icon that you can see here, like on the so here you can actually hide the column if you want. So you can see that the column is no more there. Again, I'll come to the list setting and check it up, and then the column will come up. So you can see that this has come up again. So now coming to the main functionality of this section, that is creating a new outlet. So to create a new outlet, you need to click on this add outlet button. So let me click on this add outlet button, then I'll be showing you how to create an outlet. So this will take you to a page where you need to fill in certain details like the outlet name, outlet address, city, then outlet country, so and then other details. Let me scroll it down, the zip code, and then the active status. So let me create a demo outlet for you to show you how it is done. So let me give it an outlet name. Let's call it demo outlet. Then I have filled up all these details, address and the checked up, and then I'll click on save button. The outlet has been saved. So you just need to fill in all the details and you need to save this. So you have successfully created the outlet. Now I'll go back and I'll show you that this outlet is already there in the list now. So the demo outlet that we have just created, now it is there and the status is active. So this is how you create a new outlet here. Now what you can do next is you can again you will go to this three dot icon and you will click here to either edit or delete this particular outlet. So if you click on this edit button, again you will be taken to the creating outlet page, and there you can edit the details, any detail that you want to, you wish to change, and then you need to click on the save button to save the outlet. So it has been updated now. So this is how you do it. So this is all about this section. Now let's go back to this setting options, and let me explain you other options there, other sections there. So let me click back and go to the settings, and in the plugins, the next section that I'm going to explain is the POS user. So there I'm going to explain you the user management. So under this section, the admin can add the cashier or the users who will manage the customers, inventory, and the POS system. Further, the admin needs to enter the like the specific username and all the details that I'll be showing you a little later. So here you can view all the details like the username and the first name, last name, email, active status for the POS user, or similarly the list setting option is similar as to the previous one. So from here you can select one or multiple users and you can delete them. So you can perform this mass delete action here. Now to create a new user, you need to click on this add user button. There you will be again taken to a page where you need to fill in certain details, and after filling in certain details, you will be able to create this new POS user. So let me create a demo user for you. So I need to give it a username, that would be demo user. Then you need to select an outlet from here. So I am selected output in the first name, last name, email. So you just need to configure all these values, all these details, and after filling all these details, the admin needs to click on the save button to save the save this information or the cashier list. From here you can upload an image if you want to upload an image, profile image for the POS user. Here you need to set up the password, and then again this active status is there. You need to check this option to activate this user. After filling all these details, you just need to click on the save button. You can see that the user have been saved. So now let me go back to the list of the users, and there we will find this newly created user that is there, that is demo user Victor. Its name Victor Franklin, and all the details you will find for this user, like the name, last name, email, active status, and all. So this is basically overview of this POS user section, how you will create a new user and how you can edit or delete the users from here. So on clicking on this three dot button, you can delete a particular user, or also you can edit a user. So again you will take into this page where you will update the information, or click on save button to update the information. Now again I'll go back to the settings and let me explain you another option. So I'll go to the plugins, and then let me explain you this time POS. Let me explain you POS product. So before I before I explain you about the product management in this POS, I assume that you already know about how to create a product in Shopware. So let me give you a brief about it. So I'll go to the catalog, then products, and in the product section you will see the list of all the already created products here. Now if you want to create a new product, you need to click on this add product button, and there you need to fill in this information like the title, description, then product number, then the manufacturer, then the status of this product active, and then this price of the product, and the gross price or the net price, and all these details, then the stock, available stock, and the delivery time, the minimum order quantity. So you need to configure all these options. Then you need to assign a category to this product, then the sales channel tags, and then search keywords. Here you can upload the images for your products. Here you can provide the labeling for your products, and in this SEO section you can provide the meta title, meta description, SEO keywords for your product, and there you can provide SEO URL, and then measure packaging, basically the dimension of your product. For any tangible product you need to provide the dimension here. So after configuring and filling all these details, you just need to click on the save button, and you will be able to create a new product. So this is how we create a product in Shopware. I have explained this very briefly. So now again we need to go back to this setting, then plugins, and let me go to this section, that is the POS product management. So under this section, the admin will assign outlets to the product. For doing this, the admin will navigate to this POS product, and the admin will select the desired product from the list and select the associated outlet. Just after that, the admin will click on assign button and will receive a successful product assignment message. So let me show you how it is done here. So for that, what you admin can do is you can first of all see the details like the name, product number, active stock, and then the assign stock. Then here you can enter the quantity, then the action button to assign, and then this barcode. So all these details you can view here for the products. And now next thing is like you can select one or multiple products here, and then you need to select an outlet to assign it. And then you just need to click on this assign button after selecting the outlet, and you can see this 6 products have been assigned to the outlet. So this is how you assign products to the outlet. So the next thing that I need to tell you is here we go, this barcode generator. So the admin can generate barcodes for the product here. These products can be added to the cart during the checkout process by the POS user, that I will explain a little later when I'll be explaining this front-end workflow. So you will click on this 3 icon button and the generate barcode. You can see that barcode generated successfully. So this is how you generate the barcode. Again, clicking on the generate barcode button will create the generate the barcode. So this is how you create the barcode for your products here in this module. So clicking on this 3 icon button, you can also print this barcode. So so this is how here you will just need to click on this print button, and you will be able to print this barcode. And then the next thing is about assigning stock to the any outlet. So what you need to do, actually you need to select certain products, and then you will select an outlet. So you will assign all those products to the outlet, and then you will enter the quantity, whatever the quantity that you want to assign in this stock. And this is how you will be able to enter the quantity and assign stock. So you just need to enter the quantity and click on the assign button, and this is how you will be assigning the stock along with the outlet to the product. So and this is what I explained about the generate barcode and the print barcode. So this is all about this section. Now again I'll be going back to the settings, and in the plugins, the one section is left is POS user. So clicking on this POS user, here basically what you will find is the POS orders. So under this section, the admin can view the orders like for this plugin, these orders generated by the users from the front end on the order page, and the details will be like the order number, agent name, outlet, customer, then total, order status. So all these details you can view. So order number, the specific number generated for a particular order. Agent name displays the name of the agent who served that order. Outlet, the outlet that is assigned to that sales agent or the user. Similarly, the customer name, the total, and the order status, like the total is the grand total of the cart, and the order status, whether it's paid or remaining, the payment status basically. So this is how you can view all this information here. The admin can also view any desired product or any desired order. So once the order is viewed, the admin will be able to see the details of that particular order. So you just click on this button, and here you can see that you can see all the details of that particular product as shown on the screen. So you can see see all the details like the email address, billing address, phone number, shipping address, grand total, delivery status, payment status. So all the detail you can avail it here. Now you can click on this edit button to edit these details. So you can also, the admin can also edit these details. So this is how you can edit the details, add a tracking number. So and then after, you just need to click on the save button to update this. And so this is how you access all this information, orders, and you manage the orders here. So this is all about this pen. And one more thing is like you can also delete this from here. And if you want to create a new order, you can also create a new order by clicking on this add order button. So once you click on this add order button, you just need to select the name of the customer, and you can fill in all these details and click on this save order button. You will be able to explain all these details. So I have explained all this section: POS order, outlet, product, user, in detail. So this is all about the admin panel of this module. In the next video, I'll be explaining the workflow for the front end of the module and the POS user or cashier. So thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.